So I do have a presentation. Let me share it with you. So yes, as Omar said, I work in fashion. I'm fashion innovation researcher and strategist, and I specialize in sustainability, consumer behavior, and technology. So yes, so let's talk about fashion because it's such a big part of our culture, and it is something that every single person can relate to, as hopefully everyone from us wearing clothes. Fashion is also a communication tool, and thanks to it, we can express ourselves. And even if you think you are not into fashion, people will judge you and will have a perception of you simply just by looking how you look, what you're wearing, and will judge your appearance if you want it or not. Also, fashion is one of the most polluting industry, and the complexity of the clothing industry has a significant footprint of the exploitation of both natural resources and people working in the industry. While thinking about fashion, think about all the pesticides used in farming, the toxic dyes used in manufacturing, all the large amount of natural resources that are used in the whole clothing chain. And those images are from True Cost movie if you would like to learn more on the subject. So there is also a growing problem of the overconsumption of fashion and waste management. A significant proportion of garments are purchased on impulse and are never worn. And almost 92 million tons of textile waste is thrown away every single year. And 82% of those textiles could be actually cleanly repaired and resold again. So fast fashion items are particularly attractive to young consumers living on restricted budgets. Not necessary, but maybe. And they want to participate in ever accelerating fashion trends and who are active user of social media. And can you imagine that, while you wear outfit on social media, 1 in 10 after showing this outfit on social media will throw it away. So that's crazy. But there is a lot of different activities like barbecues, there are just one-time outfit, weddings, festivals, and so on. But luckily, we can notice a market shift in attitudes. However, there is a big behavior gap between those attitudes towards sustainability and the real behavior. And this is mainly because consuming fashion in a sustainable way is still not very easy and straightforward. And at the same time, of course, technology has fundamentally changed our behavior and our social lives as well, that are predominantly playing out online. So therefore, our main challenge to present ourselves and shape our identity become digital. And in the near future, we can expect that computation will be almost everywhere. Artificial intelligence will result in better, more efficient innovation product offering, low cost and high quality 3D printing will alter manufacturing. Material science might change how we even wear clothes. However, fashion and tech looks super promising and can create a better and more efficient fashion future for everyday consumers. It should be about embracing the idea of designing clothes that not only look good, but that will also come with life-changing benefits. And we can notice in many places now digital models taking part in various campaigns and at e-commerce never being tired. There is a rise of virtual garments that could be very useful for both sampling design but also for those one on and feed for social networks or people can wear it, dress their avatars, and this will be definitely much smaller environmental footprint. There's augmented reality is becoming really a common tool for product visualization, and we are seeing more and more virtual and fitting technologies. There is also quite a lot of virtual closet application showing on the market. And the next generation of consumers are experience driven, highly visual, and digitally native. And gaming currently is the best social media platform for brands to reach Generation Z, as it was said in the previous presentation as well. And because of the above, we can really see rise of collaboration here in the fashion market too. The fashion brands, especially luxury brands, are adapting this segment and use gaming to engage with the younger audience and market to them. There's also a huge hype around metaverse, and we could see recently Metaverse Fashion Week decentralized. Vogue Business also collaborate with Yahoo to create metaverse experience. in my opinion, it's still quite early stage, but thanks to those kind of experience, brand will be able to build deeper and connection with the customers and consumers on very different level. And therefore we'll see more brands beginning to create in 3D. For those who create physical products, it becomes important how to place them into those digital environment. So virtual production will be really crucial for the communication in the fashion in the future. And for the end, so this is all super fun and super exciting. However, I strongly believe that both metaverse and games with its huge potential and huge audience have power not just to be entertaining and marketing platform, because it can be also a great educational tool and motivational tool, and can bring change in the fashion industry. And I truly believe that they should confront the problem that fashion industry has. It is also very important to remember, especially in such an early stage of metaverse, that we're not gonna create copy the mistake for social networks. So think about healthy balance between digital and physical lives, to learn about mental health, addictivity, the fear of missing out, beauty filters, because there's a lot of problem, especially for youngsters, and but not only from the social networks. So I think it is mandatory to facilitate a healthy digital ecosystem first before really getting and jumping into it. So thank you very much. That's all from my side.
Yeah, we just shared Marta's link to see more about what she does in the fashion world. Thank you so much, Marta, for your time and for the efforts you have put into this.